Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a Cisco access point that's blinking red and green, you're in the right place. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often something simple to fix. Today, we're diving into what this blinking means and how to resolve it step by step. Let's get started. First off, what does that red and green blinking actually signify? On most Cisco APs, like the popular models from recent years, a red light typically indicates an error or fault, while green might show that the device is trying to connect or boot up. Together, they often point to problems like firmware issues, connectivity troubles, or even a hardware glitch. This is common in 2025 models, especially if there's a recent update or power interruption. Now, let's troubleshoot. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure the power cable is securely plugged in and that your Ethernet cables are intact. Sometimes, a loose wire is the culprit. If everything looks good, move to step 2, restart the device. Unplug the AP, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, it's time for more advanced steps. Update your firmware through the Cisco interface or dashboard. Outdated software is a frequent cause of blinking lights. Head to the Cisco website, download the latest firmware for your model, and follow the instructions carefully. Also, check for any configuration errors in your network settings. Maybe the AP isn't getting the right IP address or is conflicting with another device. One more thing. If you're seeing this on a 2025 model, it could be related to new security protocols. Double-check your network's security settings and ensure compatibility. If none of these steps help, it might be a hardware issue, and you'd want to contact Cisco support. There you have it. Quick fixes for your blinking Cisco AP. I hope this saves you time and headache. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.